Our friend wanted a copy of this casting. It's an ingot mould for sampling gold and silver from mines. Now it's a casting, it's a bit rough on the edges. It's fairly straightforward to do, but I'll have to cut a parting line along here. And I'll put a little texture mark along there so I can see it when it's buried in the sand. The casting is a bit rough around the edges here, and it can be difficult to pull out of the sand. So the trick is dust a lot of talcum powder on there and push it down and rub it in. It's pretty rough as well. Now, as you can see, the talcum powder is filled in the rough holes, and it'll make it a little bit smoother to pull out of the sand. Now, first step is to sieve on some facing sand. And put some backing sand around it. Now once again, use our fingers, gently push around the edges so they can pack in properly. Now I'll finish ramming the drag. Next step, we're going to roll the mould over. I've trimmed the parting line, goes around the handle, around the other side, and it comes up to here. Next thing I do, dust talcum powder on it. And put the top box on. Sieve it on the pattern. Gently pat it in. Add some more backing sand. and give it a ram. Now roll over the mould. Now because it's cast iron, the ingot mould, hopefully it will stay at the bottom and will make it easier to lift out of the sand. Alright, there's a spot where I didn't do it properly, a couple of little tiny edges around there. Now I need to cut an ingate. Need to cut a pouring cup. Everything's ready. All we do is just throw on the coat. Ready to be poured. Right, first mould we're knocking out is the ingot mould. Looks like it's come out perfect. By the way, my fingers are starting to burn here. See the smoke coming off? Yep, come out perfect. Except that little spot there. I'm getting rusty in my old age.